Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. Today is April 16th, 2020, and this is my bi-weekly grow update. Okay, it's really been over 2 weeks, probably closer to 3 weeks since my last update, so I just want to give you a real brief show of the progress of my plants. I have everything mostly inside. I've got a few plants that are still inside. I've got a few little cracky bottles and wicking systems, and also have 3 DWC setups in the grow tent, and the rest of everything is on the porch. And I've been bringing it in when it gets cold at night, but so far it's been mostly warm enough. Last couple of weeks I had to bring them in a couple of times. So let's take a look at these. So this is a Kingstar Lemon Starburst. This is actually a white sage plant. It's a chocolate bootless CS, Chad Stileski strain, Coir. We'll go through all of these, but just wanted to show a few. This is a Weary. It's a really interesting pepper. Yeah, this is a Gochu, a Psalm. This is a Rainforest. It's a Bacatum type. These are some of the smaller ones that I kind of keep them together so they don't get dwarfed by the bigger plants. Some of these are having some issues, but I think they're going to be fine. This is an overwintered Kingstar Lemon Starburst going on its 3rd year. It's got a few pods on it. It's in a self-watering container. A few peppers there. It's a Blue Christmas. Always grow one of these every year. It's an Ancient Sweet. Boots Solid Gold crossed with Pink Tiger crossed with Peach Boot. This is a Drama Queen, Jimmy Johnson. And I was going to make a note too that I had the wicking tub, and I showed it in the last update or two, and it wasn't really working out. I think it was just multiple factors with the temperature in the basement, and I was trying to spread. They're good lights. I was trying to spread them out too thin over too large of an area, so I think it was not working the best. So I just decided to put them in trays and bottom feed water as needed. So that's working. Right now I'm finishing off. So they were getting some Masterblend, and now I'm finishing off some AeroGarden nutrients. I want to switch them back to Masterblend and then put them out on the drip system. This is a daddle plant. Grow one of these every year too. Star Rocket Hornet. It's a Kingstar cross. These are really good. Let's see. Safaria. It's like a habanero type. Scotch bonnet type. Chochamba. Avon. It's a really good pepper. This is a Shishito crossed with Stavros F2. I call these sweet Shito because they're like Shishito, but they're sweet from the Stavros genetics, and they actually have a little bit of heat. Chambo. It's a seed for that's from Hugo Vera. Really looking forward to that one. There's a Batman Big Bat Red. This is a Reaper Tally. It's a saved seed from a friend of mine. Sent me a pod. That's a Chaos. I believe this is a Jenny Younger cross. Another Reaper Tally there. So I've got some good peppers I'm looking forward to growing out. I'm still doing a little bit of rearranging, trying to keep the shorter ones with the shorter peppers so they're not losing the light, but they won't be out here too long. I'll show you where I'm going to put most of these. Okay, this is where I do my drip system. Using the buckets from last year, washed all these out. They have big drain holes in the bottoms. So my drip lines, I have 2 lines on each side, and I got these 17-gallon buckets on a Kmart going out of business sale, and I drilled some big holes in these, and I think I can grow some really good plants in those. And this is all the reclaimed potting mix from last year. I got a video on how I do that. That's just basically shaking out getting the roots out and shaking it out and sifting and maybe re-amend it if needed. But I'm hoping that before I do any of that, I want to make sure that I can actually get potting mix, fresh potting mix materials before I do anything. I need to contact the supplier I used last year, last couple of years. So I need to start sourcing that out. Yes, I'm hoping like the first week of May or soon after, have all these hardened off and out here in these buckets. And I also have plans for several self-hoarding containers, and also plans to make a video showing more detail on how to make those. So anyway, that's what I've got for right now, April 16th, 2020. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you like that. Please like, comment, and subscribe.